Hiya, welcome back to the 1973 Karmann Ghia. I've just taken off the rear deck lid, give us better access to the engine. Also the front bonnet is all off. Now the first job to tackle, I want to do a will it run. Seen the engines spin over in the last video. I've got a replacement ignition lock, but the first job is to get rid of this ugly steering wheel. So we've got our socket. He is a 27mm. Pop them on. Right. Have to jump my knee up just to get a bit of leverage. Choo. There he goes. Same as a Volkswagen Beetle. He's got the nut in the centre there. Yep, there he goes. And its washer is there. Right, let me put you down. This is a two-hand job actually. Bring you back. Now that the steering wheel has been removed, the next stage is to remove these four little screws that hold on the indicator stalk. So let's crack on getting these off. Always bag and tagging. There you go. Yeah, always bag and tag. One. I did write out a list of what jobs need doing. I did record it as like a 10-minute video. But I had a couple of comments the last video say, bit boring. Half hour just showing the rust. But no, I thought it was alright, that first video on this one. Just see what spares I had. But appreciate all your comments. Just gotta live with all the good ones and bad ones. Not a problem. Yeah, there's the fourth one up there. Yeah, excited to work on this Ghia. I'll show you the list in a minute anyway, when we finish this job. Right, that's the four long screws out. And just pull your stalk. There you go. And it's, I didn't show it, sorry. There's the plugs underneath on the later later Ghias. Same with the Beetles. Now, two screws there that hold this plate, and we can get out the ignition barrel. Let's crack them two off. One. That's one. Yeah, the plate's already loose. Lift off that metal plate. Access the barrel. Right, with the ignition disconnected at the back for the key, pull the barrel out. See, it comes out. We've got a little hole there. We need to push that little stopper in, and hopefully that barrel should pop out. So let's plonk you down. Right. Just using a little, oh, there you go. Come on. And there he goes. Old ignition barrel. Now I'm not sure if I've got the right one. I've got a couple here. But you can see the different lengths. Let's give it a go anyway. If not, I'll go upstairs and see what else I've got. Pushed in the right way. So, this is the original ignition barrel. I'm going to see if I can get a key cut from my mate actually. Yeah, you can see that stopper there. That pushes that down so it goes in that way. Right, popped it in. Just pushed it in, lined it up. Now we have a key for the Karmann Ghia. Right, I'll quickly put this back together. That's how simple it is to change the ignition barrel. All you have to do, the new one, just line up the top spring. See here with a hole, push that in, it releases. Push it in. Look at that. Right, let's put this back together. Smack a battery on and see if we've got any power. So that was the 2 screws in the back here for the mounting plate for the key. And also the 4 screws for the indicator stalk. Everything back working. Also plugged in the rear. All done. Confession. This is the first time I've done an ignition barrel. First time in a V-dub. Been into VW 15 years. First time I've done one. So let's get in the back. Right, before we put a battery in, just want to clean up these battery terminals. So we're getting close. So I've got one of these tools here off eBay. That end for your battery. I think they're about $4.50. I've got to double up because I work from home at the workshop. So £10 for a pair. Not bad. Right, let's clean up these connections. I'll have to get a new earth strap as well. Just with that little quick spin around that. Comes up lovely. Yeah, I'm checking all the wires, renew. See, what's that? It's got a fuse on the end. Right, job's a good one. Let's grab a battery. Right, let's get this battery in and see if we've got any power. It'll turn over. And here comes the rain. Lovely UK weather. Yeah, this earth not very good. Nothing sparking, so it's nothing live. Alright. Ready? Ignition. No lights. Nothing turning over. Oh, we got some noise. So the ignition's working. That could be the relay. We got any lights? Doubt it. No lights. Right. If we've not got ignition there, where's the fuse box? Turn them lights off. We've got some power then, so the ignition switch is all working. Right, there's the fuse box. There he is. Oh yeah. Look at the state of that. Right. That's never right. Red. No way. Anyway, I'll replace them, clean it all up, and bring you back. Yeah, look how green they are, look. Be no contacts. There. Right. Let's clean them up and replace. We'll put them as they are, even though I think it's wrong. Yeah, I have to double check. Right, here we go. And there's the fuse box. All the fuses out. So I've got my emery, wire woe, electrical cleaner. And I'll get at it now. I'm not confident. Looking at that fuse box, obviously you can see all the green still. The other side's just going to be as bad, so it needs pulling out. But for a minute, let's just try it. That's all new fuses. Let's connect the battery back up. Just want the engine to turn. If not, it could be like the wiring for the starter, but I'm guaranteed it's the loom itself, which I'll be renewing. I'll have to dig deep to see when it was last on the road. Right. Key was already on. Key. Nope. I know I got power. Yeah. Relay. Nope. Lights. Oh, we got lights. Or a light. We got a light. Cool. These something worked. Sorry if this is a bit disappointing. I thought at least turn the engine, but that can wait. Plenty more to do, as you can see. I think what I'll do next is rip out the interior, start taking some paint off and starting the bodywork. One last job. Not really on a downer, just that I knew the wiring be a pain. So, right. Steering wheel. Oh. Why? Why? When we got this bad boy. I've been saving this one. The old D-ring steering wheel. And we got, I'm actually sitting on it. Won't laugh. Nope, there he is on the floor. Right. I'll leave it as that. Happy days. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Next, we'll tackle the bodywork. Alright. Cheers.